สวัสดีค่ะ My name is A. Welcome to Museflower Online. Time to move with A. Today I would like to share with you the core workout. Our core is the foundation to support all of our movement originates. Once we can master control our core, everything is possible. For this workout, you need only the yoga mat or the blanket to support your back and your knees. Then, shall we start? We will do warm up a little bit with the downward dog and plank pose. Let's start. Check fingers expand wide, reach under the shoulders, and then stretch our legs. Go to plank pose. Feet 90 degrees. Engage your thigh, your hips, and your core. Push the fingers down. Lift up the chest. Inhale, and with exhale, downward dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, plank. This up, shoot your body, let the shoulder over the fingers. And back to downward dog. Plank, go front more. Downward dog. Then the next, we will do same with downward dog and bring our knee to touch our elbows. For both knees, time by time, this one. For in totally for both sides, 7 times. Again, shall we? Check again in plank pose first, and then exhale downward dog. Let me in to left elbow, right elbow, left elbow, back. Right elbow, left elbow, right elbow. 7. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. 6. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. 5. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. 4. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. 3. 2 more. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. 2. Left, right, left. Right, left, right, and 1. The next, we are going to bridge pose with one leg up to the sky. Then, we do it same for 7 times. Lie down on your back. Bend the knees, feet on floor, walk the feet close to the hips. Palms can be on floor, or if you need more challenge, palms on the chest. Inhale, push the feet down, lift up the hips, rotate the shoulder, knock down. Feel the scapula squeeze to each other. And then, with the left leg, inhale, hit the sky with your heel. Exhale, dog down. 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, drop down. The other side with your right leg. With a big inhale, push the feet down, lift up the hips, rotate the shoulder, knock down, squeeze the scapula. Right leg, inhale, right leg up, kick the sky with your heel. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we are going to the off row and to swing our legs each side for 7 times. In off row, check fingers, expand wide, width under the shoulders. Knees in the same line with the width. When we look back, we will not see our feet. We start with the left leg. Inhale, in and stretch out and go back. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The other side, the right leg, I'll face this side. The right leg, with the inhale, exhale. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, we go to plank pose with our elbow, and then we will twist our upper core left side to right side. Let our hips touch the floor for in totally 7 times. Shall we start? Elbows under the shoulder. Stretch the legs, go to plank pose. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next, we are going to be the Superman or Superwoman. For this exercise, if you have the lower back pain, please skip this one. And when you are on this, please contact your belly in to support your lower back. Let's start. Inhale, up. Exhale, W. Inhale, exhale, 7. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, 6. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, 5. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 4. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 3. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 2. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 1. The next or the last, we are going to finish with the downward dog with knee to elbow again for 7 times. From here, palms on floor beside the shoulders. Inhale, toe touching and lift up to plank pose to check the position of our palms and feet first. And then with exhale, low body to downward dog. Downward dog a little bit. Alternate feet up and down to relax the muscle. When you ready, shall we start with the left leg first? Left elbow, right elbow, left elbow, right elbow, left elbow, right elbow. 7. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 6. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 4. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 3. Left, right, left, right, left, right. 2. Left, right, left, right, left, right. And erect into sitting pose. Inhale, arms up overhead. Exhale, arms down, please, palms on floor. Inhale, push the fingers down, lift up the hips, curve the back up for counter pose. Inhale, exhale, gently erect in sitting pose. Observe your breathing. Feel your breathing. Feel your pulsing. You can relax here as long as you feel good. And see you in next time. ขอบคุณค่ะ